Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to start a new series for SSC CGL previous year questions from 2013 to 2023. We will be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is the value of 46 plus 3 by 4 of 32 minus 6 divided by 37 minus 3 by 4 of 34 plus 6. Here we have to use the BODMAS rule, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here first solve the bracket. 34 plus 6 is 40, then of means 4 into 10 is 40. Here also 4 into 8 is 32. So then solve 3 into 8, 24. So numerator will become 46 plus 3 into 8, 24 minus 6 divided by 37 minus 3 into 10 is 30. So 37 minus 30 is 7, which is equal to 64 by 7. Option A is your answer. The greatest number that divides 126, 224 and 608, leaving remainders 2, 7 and 19 respectively is. Here, take the difference between these three numbers and these reminders. That is, the numbers which are divisible by this greatest numbers are 126 minus 2, 224 minus 7 and 608 minus 19. That is, these three numbers are divisible by this greatest number. So, take the HCF of these three numbers, that is 124, 217 and 608 minus 19, 589. So, these three numbers are divisible by this greatest numbers means take the HCF of these three numbers. To find the HCF, take the prime factors. That is, here 2 into 62 is 124. So, 2 square, that is 4 into 31 is 124. Same way, if I divide with 7, 7 into 31 is 217. Now you can see in these two, 31 is a factor. So divide 589 with 31. 31 into 20 is 620, which means 31 into 19. 19 is 589. Now you can see here 31 is a factor for all these three numbers. So here option 2 is your answer. That is 31 is the greatest number. In the following figure, P and Q are centers of two circles. The circles are intersecting at point A and B. PA produced on both the sides meet the circle at C and D. If angle CPB is 100 degree, then find the value of X. Here, P and Q are centers and these two circles intersect at point A and B, creating the line AB. Now, PA extends to C and D, producing the line CD, and this angle CPB is 100 degree. This 100 degree is created by this arc CP at the center of the circle. Now the same arc CP can create half of this angle 100 degree, that is 50 degree at any point on the circumference of the circle. Now you can see this point A lies on the circumference of the circle. That means this arc CP can create 50 degree with A. That is, if you extend this C to A and B to A, angle CAB is equal to half of 100, 50 degree. That is, here, this is a circle and arc CP creating an angle with the center. If it create an angle with the center, then the same arc can create half of 100, that is 50 degree at any point on the circumference. Now take this point, extend C and B to here. This angle will be 50 degree. Now if you take this point, extend C and B to this point, this will be 50 degree. And if you take this point, extend C and B, this will be 50 degree. Now this is the point A, and if you extend C and B to A, this will be 50 degree. So this is the concept. Now if it is 50 degree, then supplementary angle of this will be 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Now you can see this same concept can be applied to second circle as well. That is, here this 130 degree, is produced by this arc B and D. That is, this arc BD creating 130 degree. Now you can see this reflex angle BQ, reflex angle BQD, is creating at the center of the circle by this arc BD. That is, this arc BD at Q creating reflex angle BQD, which will be equal to 130 into 2, that is 260. Because here BD creating angle 260 at the center of the circle. Then the same arc BD can create half of 260, 130 at any point on the circumference of the circle. Now you can see this will be equal to angle BQD is equal to, that is x is equal to 360 minus 260, which is equal to 100 degree. So this angle x is equal to 100 degree. Option 4 is your answer. A shopkeeper allows a 28% discount on the marked price of an article and still makes a profit of 30%. If he gains 39.9 rupees on sale of one article, then what is the marked price of the article? Here, profit is same as gain. So here profit is 30% and gain is 39.9 rupees, which means 30% profit is equal to 39.9 rupees. Now 10% is equal to 13.3 rupees, means 100% is the cost price. 100% is equal to 133 rupees. Profit is always based on cost price because this profit is made from cost price. So cost price is 100%. 100% is equal to 133 rupees. Now we have cost price as 133 rupees and we have mark price and sell price. Now gain is 39.9 rupees, means 133 plus 39.9 rupees is sell price. Cost price plus profit is sell price. 133 plus 40 is 173. So 173 minus 0.1 is 172.9. Now we don't know what is mark price, but here question says shopkeeper allows 28% discount and this discount is on this mark price. So we don't know what is mark price, but shopkeeper allows 28% discount. So this 28% discount leads to the sell price, which means if I consider 100% as mark price, then 100 minus 28 lead to the sell price, that is 72%. 100 minus 28 is equal to 72%. So this 72% leads to the sell price 172.9. So 72% is 172.9 rupees. Then we need to find what is 100%. 100% means mark price because this discount is based on this mark price. That is, discount is allowed on this mark price. This discount is made from this mark price. So 100% is mark price, which is equal to 172.9 divided by 72 into 100. Now if I divide it with 4, 4 goes 18 times in 72. Here 4 goes 4 times in 16. Remaining 4 goes 3 times in 12. Remaining 2. So here if I divide 43 with 18, it will be around 2.4. So 2.4 into 100 is equal to 240 rupees. So option 2 is your answer. If x square plus 1 by x square is 23 and x greater than 0, what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? If you know the formula, you can solve it fast. That is, here this is in square form. So square root near 23 is 5. So k is equal to 5, which means x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k, which is equal to 5 cube minus 3 into 5, which is 125 minus 15, 110 is your answer. So option 2 is your answer. That is, here I will explain the concept. Here x square plus 1 by x square is 23 means x plus 1 by x. The whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now this is equal to 23. So 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. 25 means 5 square. So x plus 1 by x is 5. Now if x plus 1 by x is k, consider k as 5. Then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square minus 2 and x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k. So always remember this. This is just the formula. If you expand this, you will understand the concept. That is, here x plus 1 by x is 5. Then x plus 1 by xt whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Now you can see here this is equal to 5 cube and we have to find this part, and this part is equal to 3 into x plus 1 by x is 5. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. If a equal to 60 degree, what is the value of 8 cos a plus 7 sec minus tan square a divided by 10 sin a by 2? Here you already know sin 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and tan 60 is equal to root 3. Now apply this. That is, here 8 into cos a means cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus sec means 1 by cos a. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by cos 60 is equal to 2. So 7 into sec means 7 into 2 minus tan square 60 is equal to 3 divided by 10 into sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So which is equal to 2 goes 4 times in 8. 7 into 2 14 minus 3 11. 11 plus 4 15 divided by 5 which is equal to 3. So option 2 is your answer. Two poles of height 10 meter and 17 meter are fixed to a level ground. The distance between the bottom of the poles is 24 meter. What is the distance between their tops? Here two poles. So distance between their bottom is 24 meter. We need to find out the distance between their top. Here this is the distance between top. Now you already know this is 24 and one pole's height is 10 meter, others height is 17 meter. So this height is 7 meter. Now 24 and 7. Hypotenuse will be, if you look at the option, 25 is the right answer. Option 1 is your right answer. 25 square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. The given bar chart represents television sets manufactured in thousands and respective percentage of those TV sets sold by 5 different companies A, B, C, D and E in 2015. Study the chart carefully and answer the question that follows. Question is, what is the ratio of number of TV sets sold by company A to that of company B in 2015? This is company A and this is company B. Now this blue part represents television sets manufactured in thousands. And this orange part represents television sets sold in percentage. Now we have to find the ratio of number of TV sets sold by A and B. Here A manufactured 64,000 television sets. Out of the 64,000, 75% of them they sold. Now B manufactured 90,000. Out of this 64% they sold. Here 64K and 64K, 100 and 100 cancel. Remaining is 75 is to 90. 15 goes 5 times in 75, 15 goes 6 times in 90. So 5 is to 6. Option 4 is your answer. A circle is inscribed in triangle ABC touching AB, BC, AC at the points PQ and R respectively. If AB minus BC is 4 cm, AB minus AC is 2 cm and the perimeter of triangle ABC is 32 cm, then AC in centimeter is. Here we have to find the length of the side AC in centimeter of the triangle ABC. Now this is triangle ABC and we have to find the length of the side AC. I'll consider length of AB as A centimeter, length of BC as B centimeter and length of AC as C centimeter. Now we have to find the length of C here. Here we know perimeter of this triangle is A plus B plus C, which is equal to 32 centimeter. Now we have to find length of C. So here write A and B in terms of C. Here it is given that AB minus BC is 4 centimeter. AB minus BC, which means A minus B is equal to 4 centimeter. Now AB minus AC is 2 centimeter. AB minus AC means A minus C is 2 centimeter. Now you can see that you can write A in terms of C, that is A is equal to C plus 2. So A is equal to C plus 2. Now B is equal to A minus A is 0, minus B minus C is equal to minus B plus C, which is equal to 4 minus 2 centimeter. Now B is equal to C minus 2. So B is equal to C minus 2 plus C. Plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. 3C is equal to 32. 3C is equal to 32 means C is equal to 32 by 3. So option 3 is your answer. If A plus B minus C equal to 5 and AB minus BC minus AC equal to 10, then find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. Here take the square of A plus B minus C, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB minus BC minus AC. Now you can see here A plus B minus C the whole square is equal to 5 square, and here 2 into AB minus BC minus AC is equal to 2 into 10, which means this one is equal to 5 square minus 20, which is equal to 5 square minus 20, which is equal to 5. So option 2 is your answer. The sum of three numbers is 98. If the ratio of first to the second is 2 is to 3 and that of second to the third is 5 is to 8, then the third number is, here consider three numbers are in ratio and first to the second ratio is 2 is to 3 and second to the third ratio is 5 is to 8. Now fill the blanks with number adjacent to it. Here 3 is number adjacent to it, so fill it with 3. Here 5 is number adjacent, so fill it with 5. Now multiply 10, this is 15, this is 24. Now you can see here sum is given in the question as 98. In ratio the sum is equal to 24 plus 25 is equal to 49 part. So this 49 part is equal to 98. Actual sum is equal to 98, ratio sum is equal to 49 part. So one part is equal to 2 means here we have to find out the third number. Third number is 24 part. So 24 part means 24 into 2 is equal to 48 is your answer. So option 4 is your answer. Following bar chart shows number of students enrolled in two summer camps A and B from 2014 to 19. Study the chart carefully and answer the question. What is the ratio of students enrolled in Camp A in 2014, 16 and 17 to the students enrolled in Camp B in 2015, 18 and 19. So we need number of students enrolled in Camp A and B. Camp A in 2014, 16, 14, 16 and 17. So number of students in Camp A means orange color, 160 plus 140 is 300, 300 plus 220 is 520. So Camp A, 520 students enrolled in 14, 16 and 17. Now in Camp B, 2015, 18 and 19. 2015, 18 and 19. So Camp B means yellow color. So 240 plus 200 plus 280. 280 plus 200 is equal to 480. 480 plus 240 is equal to 720. So total 720 students. Now the ratio is 52 is to 72. 4 goes 13 times in 52. 4 goes 18 times in 72. So option 3 is your answer. What is the amount in rupee of a sum of 32,000 at 20% per annum for 9 months compounded quarterly? Here interest is compounded quarterly. For 1 year, here interest is equal to 20%. Then for 1 quarter, interest is equal to 20% by 4, which is equal to 5%. So 5% interest is compounded quarterly, which means 5% means 5 by 100. Now 5 goes 20 times in 100. So 1 by 20 means 1 part is the interest generator out of this 20 part principal. Now take the ratio of principal and amount. Principal is equal to 20 part for 1 quarter and interest generated is 1 part, which means amount is equal to 20 plus 1, that is 21 part. Now this 20 part and 21 part are for 1 quarter. Here time period is equal to 9 months. 9 months means 3 quarters. 3 quarters. Or you can calculate this way. Multiply 9 with 4. We divide 20% with 4. That is 4 quarters. We divide 20 with 4. Then multiply 9 with 4. 9 into 4 is equal to 36 months. 36 months means 36 by 12. 3 years. So in this way you can calculate 9 months as 3 quarters. 9 months is equal to 3 quarters. So this 20 and 21 are for 1 quarter. So we have 3 quarters, 3 such quarters, which means 20 cube and 21 cube are the principal and amount generated for 3 quarters. That is for 9 months. Now 20 cube is equal to 8,000 and 21 cube is equal to 21 cube means 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 2 square into 1 is equal to 4, 1 square into 2 is equal to 2, 42 double is equal to 84. If you add 1, 6, 12, so 8 plus 1, 9. So 9261 is 21 cube. Now here 20 cube, that is 8,000 is given as principal. So principal in question is equal to 32,000, which means this 8,000 part is equal to 32,000. 8,000 into 4 is equal to 32,000, which means same way amount generated at the end of 9 months or at the end of 3 quarters is equal to 9261 into 4. 9261 into 4 is equal to 4 into 1 4, 6 into 4 24. So double 4 at the end. Option 1 is your answer. That is, your answer is 37044. Exactly midway between the foot of two towers P and Q, the angles of elevation of their tops are 45 degree and 60 degrees respectively. The ratio of heights of P and Q is. Here consider this is P and this is Q. Now exactly midway between foot means consider this as midway. Now angle of elevation means these two angles, horizontal surface and these two angles are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Now we have to find the height of P and Q here. Here sine 45 is 1 by 2, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos 45 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is also 1 by 2. Now here sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Same way cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can see here we have equalized it. That is, this is 1 and this is 1. Now this is midpoint. We have confirmed it, which means our answer is 1 is to root 3. 1 is to root 3 because heights is in the ratio 1 is to root 3. P is to Q in the ratio 1 is to root 3. Option 1 is your answer. Study the given histogram and answer the question that follows. What is the difference between total number of workers whose daily wages are less than 450 and the total number of workers whose daily wages are 650 and above? Here less than 450 means total 30 people and greater than 650 means total 35 people. So 35 minus 30 is equal to 5 people. So option 4 is your answer. A shopkeeper bought a table for 4,600 and a chair for 1,800. He sells the table with 10% gain and chair with 6% gain. Find the overall gain percentage. Here total gain is equal to 10% on this 4,600 means 100% of 4,600 is 4,600. 10% is equal to 460. So 460 plus. Now this 6% on this 1,800. 100% is 1,800. 10% is 180. 1% is 18. So 18 into 6. 10 into 6 is equal to 60, 8 into 6 is equal to 48. So 60 plus 48, 108 rupees. Now total gain is equal to 460 plus 108, 560 plus 8, 568 rupees. Now this 568 rupees is out of this 4,600 plus 1,800. So percentage gain is equal to 568 is the total gain upon this 4,600 plus 1,800, which is equal to 6,400 into 100. Now 8 goes 8 times in 64, 8 goes 7 times in 56, 8 goes 1 time in 8. So 71 by 8 means 8 goes 9 times in 72. So it is nearly 9. So here nearly 9 is option 2. This is 8.7 by 8. 71 by 8 is 8.7 by 8. So option 2 is your answer. Find the greatest number 234A5B which is divisible by 22 but not divisible by 5. Here divisible by 22 means it should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 11. Now here not divisible by 5 means here option 2 is divisible by 5. So option 2 is eliminated because 0 is the end digit. So it is divisible by 5. Same way option 4 is eliminated because unit digit is 1. Here the number should be divisible by 2 means option 4 is not divisible by 2. So option 4 and option 2 are eliminated. Now the remaining options are option 1 and 3. So check the option 1. Here it should be divisible by 11 means take the odd place sum. Odd place sum is equal to 8 plus 0 plus 3 is 11. Now take the even place sum. Even place sum is 5 plus 4 plus 2 which is equal to 11. Now take the difference between odd place sum and even place sum. Now if it is 0 or 11 then the number is divisible by 11 which means here option 1 is divisible by 11.
Now if you check option 3 that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2. Odd place sum is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 3 that is 11 and even place sum is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 2 which is also 11. Now 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. So this one is also divisible by 11 but we need greatest number. So here greatest number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2. So option 3 is your answer.
Here if a number is divisible by 11, odd place sum minus even place sum should be 0 or 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Price of an item is reduced by 20%. As a result, customers can get 2 kg more of it for rupees 360. Find the original price per kilogram of the item. Here we have a short trick, that is this 20% reduction leads to this 2 kg additional amount. So 20% reduction leads to 2 kg additional amount. Then 10% reduction leads to 1 kg additional amount. Then if I find 100% reduction, then 100% reduction leads to 20 into 5 is 100, 2 into 5 is 10 kilogram. You can see this 100% reduction, we made it from 20% reduction, which means this 100% is total quantity after price reduction, because this 100% is made from this 20%. That is, this 10 kg include this 2 kg, additional 2 kg plus original 8 kg. That is, the original amount was 8 kg. To this 8 kg, because of this 20% price reduction, 2 kg was added. So this 10 kg is the total quantity after price reduction, which means here 8 kg was the original quantity and we need original price per kilogram. So total price is 360 divided by original quantity was 8 kg. So which is equal to 45 rupees, because we have already said this 20% reduction leads to 2 kg and this 10 kg is derived from this 2 kg. That's why this is total quantity after price reduction. We have different method as well, that is ratio method. Now we have 20% reduction. 20% means 1 by 5. Reduction means minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 means if 5 part is the original price, 5 part is the original price, then 5 minus 1, 4 part is the new price. So 4 part is new price and 5 part is original price. Now this is price ratio. We need quantity ratio. Quantity ratio is reverse of price ratio. That is, this is price ratio is 4 by 5. Then quantity ratio is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means 5 part is new quantity and 4 part is original quantity. Now 5:4 means 5 minus 4 is 1 part. This 1 part is the difference in amount 2 kg, that is additional amount 2 kg, which means 4 part is equal to 4 into 2, 8 kg, and 5 part is equal to 5 into 2, 10 kg. Now we need original quantity. Original quantity is 4 part, which is equal to 8 kg. So total price is 360 rupees and original quantity is 8 kg. So 360 by 8 is equal to 45 rupees. So in this way you can also calculate. So you have two methods. This is second method. I think first method is more simple. The given pie chart shows percentage of students in 5 schools and table shows ratio of boys and girls in each school. Study the pie chart and table and answer the question that follows. Here question is, what is the ratio of number of boys in school C to the number of girls in school E? Here we need ratio of boys in school C to the girls in school E. Here in school C, ratio of girls and boys is equal to 5:3. We need boys ratio in school C. Boys ratio is 3 part out of total students is 3 plus 5, 8 part. So 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is boys ratio. Now in school C in pie chart there are total 24% students. So 3 by 8 into 24% is the boys number. Now girls number means In school E, there are total 4 part girls out of 4 plus 1, 5 part students. So, 4 by 5 is the ratio of girls in school E. And in school E, there are total 15% students. So, 4 by 5 into 15% is the total number of girls in school E. Now, ratio is percentage and percentage cancel. 5 goes 3 times in 15, 8 goes 3 times in 24. So 3 and 3 cancel, remaining is 3:4. So the ratio is equal to 3:4. So option 3 is your answer. If c square theta plus tan square theta is 3 into 1 by 2, then cos theta plus sin theta is equal to. Here this is cos theta and this cos theta has relation with sec theta, which means we have to replace this tan square theta in order to find this relation. So here tan square theta we can replace it with sec square theta minus 1 because sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Now this is sec square theta plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1, which is equal to 3 into 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now you can see 2 sec square theta. 2 sec square theta is equal to 7 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to 9 by 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 by 2. Now sec square theta is equal to 9 by 4. So sec theta is equal to root of 9 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. Now if sec theta is 3 by 2, then cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, which is equal to 2 by 3. If cos theta is 2 by 3, then sin theta is equal to, actually you can write it 2 plus 3 is 5. So root 5 by 3. Or you can find sin theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus 4 by 9, which is equal to root of 1 minus 4 by 9, which is equal to root 5 by 3. Now cos theta is 2 by 3 and sin theta is root 5 by 3, which is equal to 2 plus root 5 by 3. So option 2 is your answer. Shyam drives his car 30 km at a speed of 45 km per hour and for the next 1 hour 20 minutes he drives it at a speed of 51 km per hour. Find his average speed for the entire journey. Here distance is not constant. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Here for the first 30 km, his speed was 45 km per hour. Speed is 45 km per hour. And for the next 1 hour 20 minutes. For the next 1 hour 20 minutes means 20 plus 60, 80 minutes. So 80 minutes means 80 by 60 hour, which is equal to 4 by 3 hour. Now for the next 1 hour 20 minutes he drives it at a speed of 51 km per hour. So speed is 51 km per hour. Now distance is equal to speed 51 into time is 4 by 3 hour. Now 3 goes 17 times in 51. 17 into 4 is equal to 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So 68 kilometer. So D1 is 30 kilometer. D2 is 68 kilometer. And here you can see this is 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per hour means in 60 minutes he can cover 45 kilometer distance. So 45 kilometer distance covered in 60 minutes. Then 15 kilometer distance covered in 15 into 3 is 45. So 20 into 3 is also 60. So 15 kilometer distance covered in 20 minutes. Then 30 kilometer distance covered in 20 into 2, 40 minutes. Now you can see total time is equal to 40 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes, that is 2 hours. So here total distance is equal to 30 kilometer plus 68 kilometer, that is 98 kilometer. divided by total time is equal to 40 plus 1 hour 20 minutes, that is 2 hours. So here your answer is 49 kilometer per hour. Option 1 is your answer. In a triangle ABC, the bisector of angle A meets BC at D. If AB equal to 9.6 cm, AC equal to 11.2 cm and BD is 4.8 cm, then the perimeter of triangle ABC is. Consider this is the triangle ABC. Now bisector of A means this angle A bisects equally, that is equally divides and meets BC at D. Now here when angle A bisects, you can see this side AC, ratio between side AC and nearest side CD is equal to ratio between side AB and nearest side BD. Now with this you can solve this question. That is, here AB is equal to 9.6 centimeter and AC is equal to 11.2 centimeter, BD is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Here by this rule you can see AC is 11.2 divided by CD is equal to 9.6 divided by 4.8. Now 4.8 goes 2 times in 9.6, which means CD is equal to 11.2 by 2, which is equal to 5.6. So CD is equal to 5.6. Then perimeter is equal to total 11.2 plus 9.6 plus 5.6 plus 4.8, which is equal to 11 plus 9, 20 plus 9, 29, 29 plus 1, 30, 30 plus 1.2, 31.2. So option 3 is your answer. A hemispherical depression of diameter 4 cm is cut out from each face of a cubical block of side 10 cm. Find the surface area of remaining solid in centimeter square. Here, this cuboid's side length is equal to 10 centimeter. And question says hemispherical depression of diameter 4 centimeter. So this circle diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. And this hemispherical depression of diameter 4 centimeter is removed from each of these faces. Now cuboid has 6 faces. Now this hemispherical depression is removed from each of the 6 faces of this cuboid. Now we have to find the remaining surface area of this cuboid, and to find that remaining surface area, find the remaining surface area of one face, then multiply it with 6. That is your answer. Here take the top face. Now when you remove this hemispherical depression, you will create an additional surface area, additional curved surface area. That is, if you look at this images, you will understand. Now this is the bowl shaped structure. Now this bowl shaped structure is hemispherical depression. This solid structure is removing from the top face. When you remove this solid structure, you will create a curved surface area. You create an additional curved surface area. Is also part of this remaining surface area. Now this curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square means surface area of hemisphere. Apart from this, if you look at this 4 corners, that is, if you look at this top face, this 4 corners is also part of this remaining surface area. This 4 corners plus this depression, curved surface area, is the remaining surface area of this top face. So 6 such faces are there. Now this remaining surface area of one face is equal to, look at the top face, this is square. So square means area of the square is equal to a square. But we have to find area of this 4 corners. To find that, subtract the area of this circle. That is a square minus pi r square. A square minus pi r square is the area of 4 corners in top face. Now add this surface area of hemisphere, that is formed by hemispherical depression, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Now this is the surface area of top face. 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square. So what is remaining is a square plus pi r square. Now this is for one face. So total there are 6 faces. So remaining surface area of 6 faces is the remaining surface area of this whole cuboid, which is equal to 6 into a square plus 6 into pi r square, which is equal to a square means a is equal to 10 centimeter. So 6 into 10 square plus 6 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equal to, here diameter is equal to 4 centimeter means r is equal to 2, that is 2 square. Now you can see this is equal to 6 into 10 square is 600 plus 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 22 divided by 7, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 2 plus 2 into 2, that is 8 plus 4 is 12, remaining 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 528 divided by 7 plus 600, which is equal to 7 goes 7 times in 52, remaining 3. So 7 goes 5 times in 35, remaining 3. Which means here 600 plus 75. In this option you can see there is 675 in option 3. So option 3 is your answer. This is equal to 675.3 by 7. A man, woman and a boy can complete a work in 3, 4 and 12 days respectively. How many boys must assist one man, one woman to complete the same work in 1 day? Here work is same and a man, woman and boy can complete work in 3 days, 4 days and 12 days respectively. Now work is same, take the LCM of 3, 4, 12. LCM is equal to 12, which means total work is equal to 12 unit. And 3 goes 4 times in 12, 4 goes 3 times in 12, 12 goes 1 time in 12, which means here man can complete 4 unit of work in a day, woman can complete 3 unit of work in a day, boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Total work is 12 unit means here we have to find how many boys must assist one man and one woman. How many boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the same work in 1 day. So total work is equal to 12 unit. Now we have to find number of boys. Total number of boys who must assist this woman and men to complete this 12 unit of work in a day. Here woman and man complete 4 plus 3, total 7 unit of work in a day. Now 12 minus 7, remaining is 5 unit of work and a boy can complete 1 unit of work in 1 day. So 5 boys must assist one man and one woman to complete this 12 unit of work in a day. Because one boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Which means 5 boys can complete 5 unit of remaining work. Because woman and man complete 7 unit of work. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 unit. This 5 unit is completed by 5 boys. So option 1 is your answer. A boat can cover a distance of 56 km downstream in 3.5 hours. The ratio of boat in still water and the speed of stream is 3:1. How much time in hours will the boat take to cover a distance of 41.6 km downstream? Here in both the game it is downstream. So we don't need this ratio 3:1. That is ratio of boat in still water and speed of stream. Because if it is upstream, if it is asking about upstream, then we need this ratio. Now, in both the case, it is downstream. Now, find the downstream speed. Downstream speed is equal to, here distance is 56 km divided by time is 3.5. Now 3.5 into 2 is 7, 56 into 2 divided by 7 is equal to, 7 goes 8 times in 56. So 8 into 2 is 16. So 16 km per hour is the downstream speed. If downstream speed is 16, then time taken to cover 41.6 km downstream is equal to time is equal to distance 41.6 km divided by speed, downstream speed is equal to 16, which is equal to 16 goes 2 times in 32, remaining 9.6. So around 6 times. So option 3 is your answer.